is my last day in China, and I am in the one place that I've always wanted to go, Chongqing. Cyberpunk City, let's go. What's up, everybody? I'm at Ha-Ji-Ma Coffee. In other words, it's called ACOC, another cup of coffee. We came here to try this, and what it is it's kind of like a waffle cone. And it's pretty hard, but inside there is a latte, and on top it has milk foam, a whipped sesame seed. So I found out you can blend sesame seeds all together with a little bit of water and add in whatever you want. It comes out kind of like a paste of some sort, and they kind of put it on top, and you can eat it with a spoon. And then when it's done and all liquidy, you can drink it and then eat the outside. Atlantis.
Three, two, one.
都可以踩啊，都可以撕。吃肉的是肠窝的要吃。
After 4 times of traveling to China, I have finally found what I'm looking for. And the small ones. There's 2. I bought scorpion. So there's these little baby ones, and it looks like they cut off the tails. They dipped it in some sort of a sauce. They put it over like a grill, like yakitori. So here we go.
小蝎子。
Not bad. Okay, let's look at the bigger one. This one. God, you can see the hair on it. And I cut the tail off. Okay, here we go. try some?
大蝎子。
They're pretty good. This is the one that I was scared about because of all the legs. But it doesn't look that bad anymore. Okay, here we go. I'm scared. I don't like this one. Okay, here's seahorse. Ugh, I don't like that one at all. Ah. And this one is a seahorse. I feel bad for eating it. But here we go. It's okay. This was number 1. And this, number 2. Here's a scary one. Boom.
Wow, 蛇。
It's too hard. I did not like the centipede. It was very, very bitter. This one I did not like at all. This is a snake. I can't even bite it. Ah.
游船滚动出发，请抓紧时间。坐船游江的游客，请到这边售票处。坐船游江的游客，请到这边售票处。
It's my last day in China, and I am in the one place that I've always wanted to go, Chongqing. Cyberpunk City, let's go.
游船滚动出发。
你要吗？你要吗？老板再见，那边可以试吃一下，那边有茶，那边有。
照选的嘛。
盒子里面都是试吃的，上面盒子。 Many people. 我的那张中了10。
要不要辣椒？要不要辣椒？
好 ，OK， 可以的。
可以啊。
啊，不要太。
不放盐的。
对，如果太。
还再买点。
如果它基础款的话，加。
There you go。
我想要一个小盒。
啊？
想要一个小盒。
那就这种。
好 ，OK。
整个一转都上我
我都不应该采耳。
那不能就我真的是。
我的耳真的很干净。
来，看清楚马上。电梯骑进的时候。
要不穿那种。
看吧。
我觉得挺干净的。
谁在这里搞一下？对。
我是东北的。
多少？
啊。
那贴子这么
脏。
要洗它。这样洗耳的话，那洗一下是最好的，你看吧，厚一层。
不用洗。很干净的。我都没有什么可掏的。
我的天呐，他那
我在东北就是我说是采耳，人家说你这耳可掏了。
谁说的？他说的是他会看你，别人家好好说。
对呀，东北人嘛。我下耳那么高。哎，吃的辣不辣？正常。啊，正常的辣啊。好的。来，他们走。
凉皮、鱼香、辣、
有什么肉？
炒饭、炒粉、炒面、炒米粉、凉面、凉皮、鱼香、辣、炒饭。
真的吃的很饱。
炒面、炒米粉、凉香、辣。